guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria. So happy that you guys are here with me today. And for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome. Today I will be showing you how I soak my fruits to make my Christmas cake. You know that brown fruit cake that we all love, whether we celebrate Christmas or not. I love having a slice or two or three or four during the holiday season. It tastes so good. Now there's a couple of ways how to soak your fruits. You could soak your fruits up to a year in advance, or 6 months or 8 months, or up to a month or a week in advance. You can use rum to soak it, you could use wine, or you could use orange juice. Today I will be using J. Ray and Nephew Red Label wine, a product of Jamaica. Someone told me this is the wine to use to soak my fruit, and this wine tastes very good when you drink it. And all my fruits combined together, I will be soaking them in. And after you soak your fruits, you put them away and keep them in a cool, dark place. And every 2 days, you just go and shift it up back. And when the day comes, when you're ready to bake your cake, you're gonna have the most amazing, round, juicy fruit cake.
Is the King of Israel.
So guys, this is it. Now all you have to do now, you put this inside your kitchen cupboard where it's going to be dark, and every 2 days or so you go and you just shook them up. And if you need to pour more wine again on them, you could just pour more wine again, because the fruits are going to suck in all the wine. So, and that's going to give you that delicious, tasty, world-class brown fruit cake, Christmas cake. And I will insert in my description box all the ingredients. You can get them. I actually picked this wine up at my neighborhood wine store. I paid $9.99, $10. Tax run it off to something, I don't know what tax run it off to, but this is not an expensive one and it tastes really good. So I'm going to have some. It's the season, that's my excuse. I was drinking some before. It tastes really good. Tastes so good. Now, a week before Christmas, I will come back and I will make my delicious, tasty Christmas cake. That's it, guys. Don't forget now to like this video, leave me a comment below, share this video, and if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, hit the red subscribe and hit the notification bells. When I upload new videos, you'll get a notification. I upload videos 3 times a week: Sundays, Tuesdays, and Fridays.